Okay, when you receive your Wizard Staff Topper, you're going to receive the translucent sphere, the 3 axe heads, and the body. And it'll be, the screws will be inserted already, lightly, so you can twist those out. Then the inside slips out, and then put your AA batteries in and turn on the switch, and the light will come on. You have to turn on the light before you place it inside of the handle. So it goes back in, screw holes line up, put the screws in. But before you do all that, you need to glue these axe heads on the side. Now the reason I left them off is because you might want to paint this thing to your liking, and it's a lot easier to paint with these things off. The other reason is I was afraid that they might be broken off during shipping. So these things, these axe heads will snap on like this. But before you leave them like that, you need to apply a lot of super glue to this joint here between the body and the axe head. You see those 2 tabs right there? They just snap in. So you glue it and then you press them together. Once you have all those axe heads glued in, then you can screw the translucent body in to the light, and it sits like that. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Send me an email. Thanks.